Lieutenant General DP Watts, please, please.
Sabhapati ji, you allowed me to speak on amendment of Delhi Special Police Establishment Bill 2021. The bill seeks to regulate the tenure of the director of premier investigating agency of the country, that is Central Bureau of Investigation. But इसने जो मुद्दा टच किया है करप्शन, that is a mammoth problem in the country. As far as tenure regulation is concerned, even in UPA regime and in Congress government, if you go from the beginning of this Delhi Special Police Establishment Act, directors' tenures have been 5 to 7 years, 10 years, and even a single day. One director was appointed. When he went on temporary duty to Bihar, someone else was appointed. In the world agencies also, when you take FBI, when you take criminal investigating agencies of UK, Germany, Australia, extremes have been that FBI director stayed for 48 years, but average tenure of these premier investigating agencies, directors or senior officials is from 5 to 10 years. As far as India is concerned, Prime Minister Modi's zero tolerance against corruption is a step forward, और I should say कि उन्होंने करप्शन को खत्म करने के लिए अभी झाड़ू उठाया है, ये फर्स्ट स्टेप है। आगे क्योंकि करप्शन एक बहुत बड़ा मुद्दा है देश का, जैसे कल डिस्कशन हो रहा था कि जुडिशरी से लेके इवन चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट are agreeing to it that they are no exception to this, and it is now a accepted way of life. Now, how to take out the country from this dragon's mouth perpetrated by the UPA and Congress regime? Just to go in the magnitude of problem, you see, there is Congress ka कच्चा चिट्ठा. I will like to speak to total corruption in 70 years by their state governments, by their central governments, amounts to a defense budget. And यूपीए सरकार में घोटालों का स्कॉर्पियन पनडुब्बी घोटाला, सिंचाई घोटाला, यूपीए सरकार में शारदा चिट फंड घोटाला, यूपीए सरकार में अगस्टा वेस्टलैंड घोटाला, टेट्रा ट्रक खरीद घोटाला, कॉमनवेल्थ घोटाला, सत्यम घोटाला, 2G घोटाला, यानी घोटाला और करप्शन कांग्रेस
Cannot dictate the chair, please.
एंड
अपॉर्चुनिटी जब मैंने बुलाया तो आपने बोलने नहीं दिया, आप लोग बोलने नहीं दे रहे।
सभापति जी,
आप लोग
करप्शन,
आप लोग नहीं बोल रहे।
कांग्रेस,
प्लीज
एंड chaos,
लेट द अपॉर्चुनिटी।
even in parliament,
I will give.
they become synonymous.
आप विषय पे बोलना
And
चाहते हैं?
as per their traditions,
विषय पर बोलना चाहते हैं तो मैं
they
किसी को रोकूंगा।
are adding to it.
पहले सब लोग
Not
पहले
only
सब
that,
लोग नो,
as far as
जब तक वेल में रहेंगे I'm not
extension-
allowing. Please go back to your seats.
our
Please.
government's
No,
performance against corruption is concerned, our world rating has improved in
कोई
the
बात रिकॉर्ड पे नहीं जा रही है, सिर्फ इस जो बोल रहे हैं वक्ता उनके अलावा।
our rating has improved by the world agencies, and we have to be up to the standards of FATF also. Now, as I mentioned various ghotalas in UPA regime, I will put it this way कि कच्चे हैं खम सबूचे कुछ जरूफ जर्जरे, रोना नहीं है एक का आवा बिगड़ गया। यानी एक पोटर ने आवा लगाया और जब घड़े निकाले।
एक मिनट माननीय एलओपी कुछ कह रहे हैं आप।
सर बोलने दीजिए सर।
आप सब लोग अपनी सीट पर जाएं प्लीज। माननीय एलओपी बोले इसके पहले आप सीट पर जाएं प्लीज प्लीज।
सर मैं आपसे विनती करता हूँ थोड़ा शांति से 1 मिनट सुनिए, मैं ज्यादा आपका वक्त नहीं लेना चाहता। मैंने कल एक लेटर आपको लिखा है, सिर्फ वो 4 शब्द मैं आपको पढ़ के सुनाऊंगा।
लेटर मिल जाएगा माननीय एलओपी। आप इस विषय पर कुछ बोलना
नहीं,
चाहते हो?
इसी इशू पे सर, क्योंकि हम सभी इसमें भाग लेना चाहते हैं और तैयारी के साथ मैं भी आया हूँ, हमारे सिंघवी साहब आए हैं, बहुत से इधर भी डीएम के लीडर्स भी हैं, सभी लोग इस पे बोलना चाहते हैं। लेकिन हम आपसे सतत जिस मेंबर को 12 मेंबर को आपने सस्पेंड किया है, काइंडली रिवोक देयर ऑर्डर।
माननीय चेयरमैन ने
अरे सुनो भाई,
माननीय चेयरमैन ने ऑलरेडी इस विषय पर कई बार कहा है। आज सुबह भी उन्होंने स्पष्ट किया।
मेरे लेटर सर
प्लीज
एक सुनिए।
माननीय लीडर ऑफ हाउस कुछ आप
नहीं, लीडर ऑफ द हाउस बोलते चले जा। Allegation.
please.
He makes always allegation.
Please,
Sir, if you don't allow me to talk and the leader of the house often
I request both of you. I request both of you to talk on the subject. Please go. Please.
Respond to that.
Please. Tiruchusi.
Condemning the injustice done to the 12 members and not revocating the...
No, I'm not allowing
We
on
are-
this. Please. Mr. DP, but you continue, please. Please continue.
Sir, I was talking about the tenures. As I mentioned in world agencies, also the tenures are quite long also. And as far as Congress regime is concerned, the tenures have been 1 day also and 10 years also. Now this tenure for stability, for proper regulation has to be regulated. And that regulation is as per Supreme Court directions. The tenure has to be minimum 2 years. Rather 2 years, not minimum, but we are making it minimum 2 years. And extension by a high-powered committee that is presided by the Prime Minister, Chief Justice of India, and LOP. Now this appointing committee was also made by the Congress government. Modi government has not added to it. We are only complying with the rules, and that committee, depending upon the performance of the directors, will extend the tenure by 1 year and up to 5 years. 5 years is maximum because sometimes the statutory agencies, they become state within states. As far as CBI's reputation is concerned, at one stage, Supreme Court had commented that ये तो गवर्नमेंट के पिंजरे का तोता है। अब माननीय मोदी जी की सरकार इस तोते को लिबरेट करने के लिए स्टेप उठा रही है, तो उसमें उनको ऑब्जेक्शन है जिन्होंने पिंजरे का तोता पैदा किया और अब उठ के चले भी गए। हाँ, अभी भी पिंजरे में ही तोते को चाहते हैं। क्यों चाहते हैं कि तोता पिंजरे से बाहर निकला तो बहुत काले कारनामे उभर के निकल आएंगे। दैट इज द थिंग। तो ऐसे हालात में टेन्योर को रेगुलेट भी किया है, एक एम्पल टाइम भी दिया है. And it is not only in this agency, in any government agency. You see, in armed forces also, we take to be the tenure of army commanders, which are equivalent to the directors of the said agencies, and even army chief and even CDS. The tenures are minimum 2 years, and CDS tenure even went up to the age of 65. And so we have done about the judges of Supreme Court yesterday. So this is for the ease of working, for stability, and not only that, now CBI being a premier investigating agency, the director has to liaise in the cases with international ramifications. As I mentioned, Augusta, Gotala, many other submarine Gotalas. CBI director cannot be just on a musical chair. He has to be stable also. He or she, they have to be stable also. Now about the...
आपका समय खत्म हो रहा है, प्लीज कंक्लूड करें.
I will just conclude.
Please,
sir.
please.
As far as CBI jurisdiction is concerned, I had earlier also pointed out that states have become immune to it. Some states, they opt for CBI investigation if it suits them. Otherwise, this is federal structure, you don't disturb us. Now, we have to take up the war or crusade against corruption on war footing, and CBI's jurisdiction to states have also to be increased so that corrupt are not spared. Otherwise, तो ये हो गया रिश्वत लेते पकड़ा गया, रिश्वत दे के छूट गया. कहाँ तक ऐसा बर्दाश्त करेंगे? This has to be, and deterrent and exemplary punishment as we give in armed forces, that has to be followed here also. सिर्फ छूट गया नहीं.
Please conclude.
Thank you very much.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Honorable P. Wilson. Honorable P. Wilson.